In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PC computer Windows with your Epson XP 5200. So once you connect them, how to print using the Wi-Fi and also how to get the scan results, okay, from there to your PC computer. So let's get started. The first step is to go on the screen of your printer and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. This is the main screen of your Epson printer. If you do not see it, press the home button. From here on the top right corner, you're going to see the Wi-Fi symbol. Right now we are not connected. This is why they are grayed out. Using these arrows, you can navigate and select them in red and press OK. Now we are in the Wi-Fi settings. So you're going to select the first one, Wi-Fi recommended. Press OK. Press OK once again. And select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Wait a few seconds. It will scan for all the Wi-Fi networks that are currently around your printer. Here we go. It has only found one, but maybe in your area you can have multiple Wi-Fi routers of your neighbors. You'll be able to see them down below. In my case, since this is the one I'm seeing and this is mine, I'll press OK. And now it's time to enter the password. Press OK, and use the keyboard and the arrows over here to type your password. If your password has some numbers, you need to select on the lower left side 1, 2, 3, and it will switch the keyboard. At the end, go ahead and select OK and press the OK button. Go down and select Start Setup. Press OK and wait. You're going to get this blue check mark with setup complete, simply confirming that everything is great. Once this is done, on your PC computer, you're going to go and open the settings. So press the Windows logo over here. Sometimes it's on the lower left side. Then select Settings. Select Bluetooth and Devices. And then go down and select Printers and Scanners. You're going to add device. Your Epson printer will appear on your screen, and then you need to click Add Device to add it to your PC computer. Usually it takes under 1 minute. You don't need to install any software, any driver. Everything is done automatically, unless you have a very old PC. Then if you see that this is not working, simply type on Google Epson XP 5200 driver. One of the first results will be the official Epson website where you will be able to download the driver before adding your printer. At the end, you should see ready. Now, if you want to print, simply open any file on your PC computer you wish to print. I'll open this PDF file. Select the print icon. Could be a picture, and then under printer make sure that you actually select your Epson printer XP 5200 series. You're going to have a few options that you may have to change depending what you're trying to print, and at the end select print and wait around 12 seconds. Your printer will start receiving the data and printing your paper. Extend this tray. And here we go. Now, what if you want to scan? How do you scan using your Epson printer and get the results on your PC? Open the scan lid on the top. Put your document facing down with the top part of your document towards the right side. And then we need to align this corner of your document with the corner with an arrow. So simply bring until both are touching. Now we need to search for the Scan app. The Scan app is an app that comes included with your PC. It's made by Microsoft. So go ahead, search for the Scan app and open it. If you don't have it, open the Microsoft Store, search for Scan, and download the Microsoft Scan app. It should look like this one. Select the scanner of your printer. So over here, XP 5200 series. Then select Auto Configure, what type of file you would like to get from the scan. I'll select JPEG. click Show More, and you can select where do you want the scan to be saved on your PC. At the end, press Scan and wait. You're going to get a confirmation that it has been scanned, and you can press View or go in the folder where you have selected the scan to go. And here we go. We have a beautiful scan in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and a like. Check my Amazon links if you want to get some ink cartridges for this specific XP5200 or some paper. I'll put those links down below. Again, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.